Hello, this is another demo of Clavis and tongue integration into Cockpit. If you have an encrypted disk, then there's a new row here, called network keys. And when you press add, you can bind this disk to a tongue server. And we do that now. You have to type in the URL here. Of course, this is where my tongue server is running. And then it will get the key. Technically it's the advertisement, but I'm trying out here to just call it the key. And you have to verify that it's the right one, because in general it might have been retrieved over some untrusted connection. And so you need to make this initial leap of faith here, or verify this. So what I've done now here is to tell people to verify the checksum of the advertisement, which I think is a lot simpler than having to explain that there are signing keys in it and that they have to trust the signing key. But on the other hand, I don't know if this actually is a valid thing to do, because the checksum of the advertisement can probably change every time the server is restarted, and so it might not be a very reliable thing to do. And every time it changes, you have to throw away your post-it notes. So and it has been added. Now it should be possible to unlock this disk, and after a while it has been magically unlocked without having to type in the passphrase. And here's something new. That's a check button, and it will try the key and see what the status is. Right now key is okay, we have just unlocked it, so we know that it works. But now we can try various things and to see what Cockpit thinks of that. So first, this is a terminal on the tongue server. We can stop the server or take the machine offline, etc. And now if we check the key, it tells us the server can't be reached, and right now we can't use this key. And as expected, oops, I always do this. Let's start it again. And let's just check that key is okay again. Communication works with the server. Now, one thing you might want to do is rotate your keys. And so these are the keys that are in use. There are 2 encryption keys and 1 signature key. And I think the disk has been bound to key 1. And key 2 is already available, so rotating the key just means we make key 1 obsolete by moving it to this file name. So this is all that's necessary. And let's see if that was the key. And now if we check it, yeah, now Cockpit can tell us that it's obsolete and there's a new key. And you have to verify the checksum again, and then we can just trust the new key and everything is okay again. Unlocking should work. Yep, with the new key. Oops, I did it again. And let's go to the terminal. We can now, so now we know that key 2 is used, and let's make key 1 current again so that we have 2 keys again. Because now we are going to remove, So we are going to remove key number 2. Just move it out of the directory, don't have to erase it, of course. And again, And now Cockpit tells us that the key doesn't work anymore, and it's probably because it has been removed from the server, and we can quickly remove it here also from the disk. Yo, I think that's it. Yo, thanks a lot. Until next time.